So in this video, I'm going to show you a super easy product research technique that not a lot of people use. Every time you do this method, it's going to filter out different products that you didn't see the day before, and I'll show you how to do it in 5 minutes. As a recap, when we're looking for a keyword, we want a keyword that has a search volume of anything over 1,000. So for example, dried palm leaves has a keyword search volume of 9,000 people a month are searching for that. And the average review count is 123. And then the average revenue is $24,000. So with that being said, I'm gonna come into Amazon and I'm gonna type in water bottle. Now, when I type in water bottle, it gives you a lot of other keywords that are related to what you typed in the search bar, and therefore it gives you a lot more keyword ideas in general. So I would say the best part about this tool is it shows you the search volume. So for example, water bottle with straw is being searched for 60,000 times a month, or it shows you keywords that appear before and after water bottle. So what's nice is I can type in any kind of word or product name in here and it will spit out suggestions. So what I did is I just wrote down a couple different words like pencil, block, square, silicone, toy, bubble, just different things like that as an example. And I want to show you how to find a product in literally like 5 minutes. I'm going to try to make it in 5 minutes at least. So for example, let's type in silicone, and I'm actually going to combine these two, silicone and toy. So silicone toy adult, silicone toys, silicone toy straps for baby. So I know that's not being searched for a ton, but I love the baby category. So I'm going to click on that and hopefully we can find a different product, or I don't know, maybe a different way to say whatever this is. So it looks like it's like a stroller strap or just different things that you could put on the stroller, and some of them are like related to binkies. I'm not sure, but I'm going to open up X-Ray and see how much revenue these products are doing every month and see how competitive it is as far as reviews. When I open this up, only 800 people a month are searching for it, but what I see is that these products are generating some serious revenue every month. But here's the thing, the average review is pretty high. That means that it's going to be hard to rank to the top of page 1 for this keyword. So with that being said, I don't want to give up hope quite yet, because there's a couple products on here, like this guy's has 70, 167, 634, and they're doing really good revenue. So I'm going to try to find out if I could find another way to say this product that's linked with the lower average review. Therefore, when I launch this product, I could rank to the top of page 1 pretty easily. So what I want to do is just pick out a product that's doing very well, but that doesn't have a lot of average reviews. So for example, this guy, he's doing $18,000 a month in sales and it only has 167 reviews. So what I want to do is just click this box right here and I'm going to run Cerebro. So I'm going to find all the different keywords he's being indexed for, which means all the different ways that Amazon is associating his product with. So for example, it spits out 800 filtered keywords on here. And this is all the different ways that you could say his product. Now, some of these keywords are going to be very competitive and some are not. And some of these are actually other products and not so much his product, if that makes sense. So because I have 800 filtered keywords, I want to filter these out a little bit. So I don't want keywords that have a search volume of less than 500, just not really worth my time. And just like that, my filtered keywords is down to 124. Also, there's some products on here like baby car accessories. I know it only has a search volume of 1,800, but number of competing products is another way of saying like how competitive this product is. And because Cerebro doesn't have average review count, number of competing products is a good way to detect how competitive a product is without having to open up the keyword and find out what the review count is. So what I want to do is actually just do filter out these keywords and have any keywords that have a number of competing products over 2,000 out of here. So I'm only left with 86 filtered keywords now. What I want to do is filter and rank from the top search volume down to the bottom. So pacifier clip, pacifier holder, you know, and it will go down from there. But also here's the other thing is when you launch a product around a keyword that has a massive search demand, you're typically going to run in with massive competition, not all the time, but sometimes. So, you know, what I want to do is just do a search volume of keywords anywhere from 500 to 5,000 and apply the filters one more time. Now I'm left with water mat for babies. There's a good search volume for that. Transition sippy cups for baby. These are all really good keywords that honestly, you could dominate these. So let's look. Cup holder for stroller, silicone pacifier clip, braided crib bumper, like so many good keywords on here. So let's see, what's catch my interest. Silicone teethers for babies, that could be really good. I'm gonna open that in a separate tab. Baby high chairs. So there's a lot of good keywords on here, but what I want to do is I'm going to rank by competition. So I'm going to see which keywords has the lowest amount of competing products but still has a search volume between 500 and 5,000. And it looks like water mat for babies. Oh, whoops, sorry, other way around. So it looks like braided crib bumper has a search volume of 3,200 people a month are searching for this, but number of competing products is only 110, which is super low. So ride safer, spinning snack container, toddler, toy safety strap silicone. So that's catching my interest. And look, it's actually the same product that we looked at before, but let's see if this time, if the average review count for this keyword is a little bit lower. That way, when we launch under this keyword specifically, we could rank to the top of page 1 a little more easier. When I pulled this up, 2,700 people a month are searching for toy safety strap silicone compared to silicone toy straps for baby, even though it looks like it's the same product, which is interesting. What's also cool is the average revenue is also still really good, but the average review count is a little bit lower, but it's still kind of high. So what that tells me is there's probably a few outliers in here. So I need to take out any products that aren't associated with this keyword. So let's see here. And I'm looking for just like big players. So for example, this one, linkables, it looks like it's a toy, but it's not really silicone. And so I want to take that guy out. Let's see. This is silicone, but it's not really the same product as I'm looking at on results 1 through 10 at the top of this page. So I'm going to take that one out also. And also pacifier clips. This is not really so much a pacifier clip. It may be made out of silicone, but like I said before, it's not the same thing that's appearing at the top pages, that's appearing at the top of page 1. And what Amazon is really saying is these are ranked here at the top because whenever someone searches toy safety strap silicone, people tend to click and buy these products. And so if you're going to launch any product around this keyword, it should be something like this. So just like that, my average review count is down to about 400. And I guarantee you, we could probably clean this up even a little bit more. But I think you understand like the premise. And I would even take this guy out also. And this guy. So just like that, in about 5-10 minutes, I've found a really good keyword by using a different method and just going down the rabbit hole. And I don't have to stop there. I could do the same exact thing. I could look at, okay, here's a product, all-in-one plate something, whatever it is. I'm going to click that run Cerebro. It's going to pull up so many other keywords that are related to baby, silicone, toy, mats, things like that. And I could do the same process. I could filter from 500 to 5,000 and number of competing products is max at 2,000. Guys, this is so simple. And really all it takes is for you to apply this. Really try to be creative. Come up with different words that you can use to find different products around those words using this method. So like I said, you're going to start by typing them here on Amazon and then go ahead and just go down the rabbit hole from that point. Find keywords that have a search volume of over 500, preferably over 1,000 from there. And then from that point, you can go ahead and use Cerebro to find similar other keywords and filter them out based off of search volume and number of competing products. And then from that point, it's just a matter of making sure that the average reviews is anywhere from 400 to 500 and that the search volume is over 1,000. So I hope that was beneficial. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comments and I'll see you in the next video.